Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking another look at Apache Airflow, course 102. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at Airflow's core component concepts and how they tie together. The concepts covered will be the scheduler, executor, web server, DAGs, and metadata. Before we jump into the core component concepts, we should try to understand the overall architecture and why it was designed the way it was. Under the concepts portion of their docs, they state, Airflow is a platform that lets you build and run workflows. A workflow is represented as a DAG and contains individual pieces of work called tasks, arranged with dependencies and data flows taken into account. Basically, your DAG, a Python script, is evaluated as tasks, and a mapping is created in order for the order in which they are to be triggered. Alright, on to the component concepts. First up is the scheduler, which orchestrates scheduled and triggered tasks within a DAG definition. Next is the executor, which handles where tasks are run from, as well as executing the tasks. Workers are also used when describing task execution. However, the concepts section also states, but you can still think of the executor and its workers as a single logical component in Airflow overall, handling the actual task execution. The web server brings this all together by providing a UI used for, among other things, triggering and monitoring. The concept of a DAG is next, and directs how a workflow will be processed. This definition is then used by the scheduler and executor. Last but not least is the metadata database. This database is used in all other concepts described above and allows for the state information to be stored and shared even between running tasks. The diagram on the right is provided from the Apache Airflow concept section and gives a high-level idea of what the architecture looks like. Keep in mind that real-world scenarios can be more complex. Alright, wrapping things up. Although this was a quick overview, it is important to understand why and how everything works together. This overview of the scheduler, executor, web server, DAGs, and metadata allows for you to understand additional deeper topics later, like workloads, control flow, scalability, distributed services, and understanding how DAGs actually work. Well, that's it for today. If you guys like the content and want to see more, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Bye.